Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Today, I'll show you how to recover deleted files on a Windows computer. First, check your recycle bin. If it's not on your desktop, you can find it through the Start menu. Open it and see if your deleted files are still there. If they are, simply right-click the file and select Restore to return it to its original location. This is always the easiest place to start. If the file isn't in the recycle bin, the next step is to use a recovery tool. Open your browser and search for Recuva, a popular file recovery program. Download it directly from the official website to stay safe. Once downloaded, run the installer and allow it to make changes to your device. You can customize the installation if you prefer, though the default options are usually fine. After installation, launch the program. You'll be guided by a recovery wizard. Click Next, then choose the type of file you want to recover, such as pictures, documents, or other files. After that, select the location where the files were stored. If you're unsure, you can scan the entire computer. Start the scan. It may take some time depending on your drive size. Once it finishes, you'll see a list of recoverable files. The program uses color indicators. Green means the file is likely fully recoverable, yellow means partially recoverable, and red means it may be overwritten and difficult to restore. Switch to advanced mode if needed, and look for files by name to identify what you want. Check the box next to the file, click Recover, and choose where to save it, preferably a different location from the original. Keep in mind that recovery isn't guaranteed. Files deleted recently have a higher chance of being restored successfully. Still, this method is often effective. That's it for this tutorial. Hope it helps, and see you next time.